us with your blessing. Fill our hearts with joy and peace. Let us each your love possessing, triumph in redeeming grace. Oh, refresh us, oh, refresh us, traveling through this wilderness. Thanks we give and adoration for the gospel's joyful sound. May the fruit of your salvation in our hearts and lives abound. Ever faithful to your truth may we be found. So whenever the signal's given, us from it to call away. Borne on angels' wings to heaven, glad the soul wants to obey. May we ever reign with Christ in endless day.